This is gonna be interesting. Got him.
Get the pliers out, pal.
That's probably not even that big. It don't feel big. Well, we got one. If we can land it. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh. I'll say that, he's hooked now. Well, that's one little guy. Yeah. Well, let's send him back. Y'all done drifted out of the main river channel. Little demon dragon. Just hook it through the top. Pull the scale off. I said that and there's one on. I say that and then I get a hit.
You do?
Yeah, there's a fish on it. He's a little feisty joker. It ain't no little dink.
Another baby?
It ain't the size we want. Oh, that's what we're wanting. I can't even get these grippers in his mouth. I'm about to grab the small ones. Huh? Well, I ain't got it in yet.
Just burp it.
No. There we go. See? Oh, got him. Got him. He ain't very big. Just a little guy. I'm bringing him up slow because we're in 43 foot of water. Give him time to burp. Ah, he's not big at all. He inhaled that bait though. That was a double. Set this one back in the rod holder. That was a double. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Goodness. Oh, little guy. Really? Let's get this bait back down there. All right. Now let's land this one. Heck yeah. See if we can. There we go. We got two. That's one way to do it. Come on. I don't want to flex for the camera. That's one way to do it. You say yeah?
Yeah, this one.
Well, this is gonna be interesting. This is not my catfish rod. It's my bait
I was
rod.
thinking it looked awfully thin.
Do what?
I thought it was looking awfully thin.
It's a catfish.
What do you have on it?
A worm to catch bait. It's not a bad one.
To get off?
No. Ugh. Ugh. Well, caught this one on the bait rod. Yeah, I'll let him go, Amy.
Yeah?
If you, like, if you. Oh, oh.
You get hit with it real good.
I got hit on this one. I got a fish on this one. I'm putting my other rod down first. That way if I get a double, it ain't very big. That's what I'm talking about. We're in 65 foot of water. Come on, blow some bubbles out so I can keep reeling you in. Come on. Decompress a little bit. There's the bubbles. That's what you want to see, all the bubbles come up right like that, Amy.
Okay.
Let's go. Little dink. That's how you know you got the dinks, when you got these little grippers. Send them back down to the depths.